Let's face it, how many here like to be told what to do? Any takers? Don't you love the family member that you have as an entrepreneur who's never been in business for themselves, and yet they believe that they have all the answers you need to run a successful business? Right?
You have any family members like that?
Yeah,
no,
come on,
no.
right? The weird Uncle Bill, right, who thinks he can tell you how to run a successful... No human being likes to be told what to do, but we all love discovery and epiphany. We all love those moments in time when the penny drops and something becomes clear that was not clear before, and finally we get it. Am I right? We love those moments. And those are the moments where we own the solution. We own, maybe it was triggered by somebody else's thinking. Maybe someone said something that they're doing in their life and business, but we didn't just take it and replicate it. Something dropped in our thinking, a penny dropped, and we were able to see how that uniquely applies to our situation and how we might do something brand new, and now we own it. Think of a time when you were young and for the first time you got your first job and earned your first little bit of money and you started to save for that really important thing that you wanted. Maybe it was a new stereo or a new bike or a new set of skis. And when you saved and you scrounged and you worked and you finally were able to go out and buy that pair of skis or that stereo or that bike. Do you remember that moment? How many have a moment like that? You can actually remember that first thing that you bought. Up until this point in your life, everything's been provided for you, true?
Yeah.
You've not had to work, you've not had to scrounge, it's just assumed that mom and dad are going to take care of me. And all of a sudden now, you've got to put out the effort to get it yourself. Do you remember how much you treasured that thing that you bought? And you treated it with a level of respect and honor and that you didn't do anything else?
Do that again?
Nice. Is that good?
That was good.
Is that good? Is that
That was
what,
impressive,
I think that's what it actually sounds like. It's an epiphany. It actually sounds like that.
Okay.
But do you remember that feeling of, I own this, this is mine, I work to get there?
Yeah.
It's the same with answers and questions. When you ask the right questions of yourself and your business and discover the answer that will lead you forward, as opposed to are told, you truly and deeply own it and no one can move you from it.